So if y'all went to Sam's the other day, found some chicken breakfast sausages, blueberry maple flavor. We're gonna try them out. Cause I'm seasoned, haters give me them salty looks. Lowry's. I'm gonna try one out the pan before I throw the eggs in here.
Delicious.
Finished product, something simple, super easy to make. You can throw some maple syrup on here if you want. That's too much for me. And I'm from the South. I like to mix all my stuff together. I get a blueberry chicken sausages, maple blueberry chicken sausages out of 10. I'll give it an 8. You taste the maple, you taste the blueberry. Real sweet. You don't need any syrup, I'll tell you that.